We want to focus on the next point. It's injection solutions. And Alessandro, will you take over?
Yeah, there are many of them already commercially available. I must declare that I love LView, of course, because I worked and mostly invented that altogether with the Italian pharma company, with Cosmos. So, but all of them, they are working very well. Normally, it depends on what you're doing. If you're doing dissection or EMR, you may change from one solution to the other solution. But I love from all of them, they are already colored in blue, so they don't need any addiction of vital dye or any dye, and they are ready to go.
So, Alessandro, did you test some other solutions, or you mainly use, or in your routine you use?
In routine, I use LView, but I have working also with ORIs and Lift Up. So in general, my vision is that all of them are working well. There is an issue with all of them, a little bit of creating bubbles under high temperature, especially when they're using coagulation mode. But the way to solve the problem of bubbles is to mix with a little bit of saline, so reduce the bubble creation problem.
And of course, we have to talk about costs. As we know, these solutions are quite expensive. And of course, there are also other solutions, like you can use something like gelafondine.
Yeah, it's right. But the evidence we have from at least 2 randomized controlled trials, the LView works much better, and even though you're spending a little bit more in terms of solution cost, you reduce operational time, which is the equivalent in terms of money. So it's a trade-off. It depends on what you're doing.
Maybe Professor Yamamoto, could you give when we were still working with saline solution, we always heard about hyaluronic acid from Japan, and I think you still use that. When do you use which solution?
Yeah, I myself use Mucoap all the time. That is the most that is the best for the mucosal elevation, long-lasting mucosal elevation. And in Japan, we can get reimbursement for the solution, so we don't need to worry about the cost too much. That's why I choose Mucoap.
Okay, thank you very much.